Selamünaleyküm everyone, welcome to Özer Projects YouTube real estate channel. I am Hakan Özer. Today I am in our beautiful city of Kocaeli and I would like to introduce brand new, very luxury, unique apartment project for you today. First of all, before starting giving the details of this project, I have to mention that these properties are suitable for getting Turkish citizenship by multiple purchasing. And what we have as a general specification for this beautiful apartment project, we have 17,500 square meters project area. On this 17,500 square meters project area, we have 11 blocks and 256 luxury apartments. And when we consider the variation of the apartments, we have 1+1 up to 4 rooms plus 1 living room. And also when we evaluate the range of the sizes, the minimum sizes are starting from the 75 square meters up to 220 square meters. And also when we consider the concept of that apartment project, we can define as 5-star luxury concept over here too. This project is rising up. And also I have to mention that one of the best thing about that project is all around us surrounded by beautiful green nature, beautiful green forest of Kocaeli. And also when we consider the distance of the project to city center of Kocaeli, it is just 10 minutes far away over here. As a physically, you are so close to the city center. As environmental, you are in center of the forest. And also, if you are looking for the comfortable payment plan for your property, for your investment in Turkey, also this project is so suitable for installment payment too. Because handover time of this project is June of 2025. During that term, you can get the benefit of the cash payment method with huge discount, and also you can get the benefit of the long-term installment payment too. For more information and catching this beautiful property opportunity in our beautiful city of Kocaeli, you can directly contact with me. If you like to see the similar project like this, you can directly contact with us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.